In this example, we're using dRofus for the punch list process on a project. We've started by generating a report with a QR code for each room that needs to be reviewed. The pages of those reports with the QR codes have then been posted on the entrance to each of those rooms. Now, anytime that someone wants to review that room for punch list, they can just scan the QR code and it will open up that room directly in dRofus Web. Once you're looking at this room in dRofus Web on your mobile device, you can scroll down to look at any of the different items placed in that room that may need punch list comments on them. In this case, we're scrolling down to furniture because we've noticed that this desk has some damage to it. Once we've selected that occurrence, you can go to the Images tab and click Add New and take a photo directly from your mobile device. Here, I'm taking a photo of the scratch on that desk and selecting Use Photo to upload it directly to this occurrence. Once that has been added from your mobile device, a computer, or from dRofus Desktop, you can look at that specific occurrence and update any sort of statuses or add comments for that specific punch list item. This room was originally marked to be reviewed, but because we found this item that was damaged, we can set this room to items to be addressed. This status will now categorize this specific item in the items to be addressed status category. These statuses can also be viewed directly in dRofus Desktop, and you'll see when we view that room and select the occurrence, that same image you took from your phone will be available here in dRofus Desktop. Once you've gone through and looked at all of your rooms and marked which ones need to be addressed, you can then set up a report that specifically shows information for those items and the rooms where there are damages. Generating this report gives you something that you can distribute to all of the stakeholders on your project to show what needs to be fixed.